Nature's heart healer Arjuna Bark. From the heart of Ayurveda emerges an ancient remedy, Arjuna Bark. For centuries, this powerful herb has been revered as nature's heart healer. Its wisdom, rooted in ancient texts, continues to protect countless hearts even today. Arjuna Bark supports strong heart function, helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and strengthens immunity naturally. At Ambeorganic, purity is our promise. We source only from trusted growers, ensuring every batch of Arjuna powder is clean, authentic, and ethically processed. Each step, from bark to blend, is guided by care, tradition, and science. Trust the power of purity, from nature to your heart. Choose Ambeorganic Arjuna Bark, because your heart deserves nature's best healer.
Our categories: botanical products, essential oils, and plant extracts manufacturers. Pharmaceutical ingredients industry. Nutraceutical products manufacturer. Organic powder and extract powder industry. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you join our community. Thanks again, and have a great day.